How to apply makeup and hair at the same time in FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp on your device, upload a photo by tapping the photo icon or take a new one with the camera icon. Once your photo loads, start by applying a makeup filter. Scroll through the options at the bottom and tap makeup. Choose your favorite makeup style and apply it to your photo. After applying makeup without closing the app, scroll back to the filter options and tap hairstyles or hair colors. Select the hairstyle or hair color you want and apply it right over your edited photo with makeup. You can adjust and try different combinations until you get a perfect look with both makeup and hair changes. When you are happy with the edits, tap the save icon at the top right corner to save your photo to your gallery. Now you know how to apply makeup and hair filters together in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.